We innovated a product called QuickBeans, which is a ready-to-cook bean product that reduces the cooking time of beans from 3 hours to 15 minutes. So the biggest impact that we've seen so far is that we have become a reliable off-taker for beans farmers in our country, and that we can give them an opportunity to still compete and sell their beans for a good price. How do I see this scaling across East Africa? I see a huge opportunity because this is a local product that's farmed by local people, and this means that it's really easy for us to access beans in every East African country, which makes the process replicable. I just want the world to take a chance on us and avail us with any resources or different kinds of support to make sure that we can also compete on global stages and global markets and in Africa in general.